In our previous video, we created a volume mesh with just two settings and demonstrated the importance of feature edges and patches in mesh generation. In this video, we demonstrate how to use the refinement settings to obtain the finer mesh resolution in desired areas. We left off with the volume mesh created by setting the maximum cell size to 1. We can see that the mesh resolution is uniform across the domain. We now wished to refine the mesh in the vicinity of the wall boundaries. We do that by using the settings from the Refinement Sources group in the Settings tree. We first activate the Refinement at Boundaries option, which allows us to set the cell size at all domain boundaries. We set the cell size to 0.5. A new entry, Boundary Cell Size, with value of 0.5 is visible in the mesh dict. We save the project and mesh again. A new, finer volume mesh is created. We see that the mesh resolution is finer along the domain boundaries, both at walls and orifice, but also at inlet and outlet. This is because we used the general option to refine the mesh along all boundaries. We will now slightly change the settings such that only cells at walls and orifice are being refined. We deactivate the At Boundaries option and go to the Patches and Subsets option instead. We activate the wall and orifice patches for refinement and set the cell size to 0.5 at both. This way, we choose at which patches exactly we want the finer mesh resolution. We mesh again. We see that the mesh is now refined only at walls and orifice.